he gets here, you know, the king, yeah. And here's some more Skyrim. It's just gonna be some random, crappy bullshit moments. So, see you later, and, bye. Alcatraz, Alcatraz, I'm going to Alcatraz. Alcatraz, Alcatraz, I'm going to Alcatraz, Alcatraz, Alcatraz. Why am I singing this song? Yeah, the Apprentice Stone does that, eh? Oh, fuck that. Twice as... Well, that's bullshit. Nope. Nope, nope. Never get that song. Well, that's pretty obvious. God damn, this is taking long. There, finally, Jesus. Where the fuck am I going? Hi. Alcatraz, Alcatraz, I am in Alcatraz. Oh, Jesus. Sweet, merciful fuckboy. The earthquake. With very, very good armor. Oh, sorry. Oh, you guys wanna see some bullshit? Did you see that? Come over here, buddy. See, he has a dagger. And come on, you might have just caught a glimpse of it right there. See? Did you see that bullshit? Here's the pickaxe. It's supposed to be right there in his hand. And it's under there. Look. You can see it. It's bullshit. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Scrap of paper. Oh, jeez. That guy had an arrow in his eye. Look at dwarven arrows. Yeah, I think I need a bow for this. Okay. Must have all been rusted or something, I hope. I hope. Fuck you. Boom. Crap. Oh shit, this is hard. Boom. Oh shit. What? Just little... Oh, fuckers. Did you just... Fucking God. He just got beat by a bunch of little fucking spiders. Dumbass. kind of liked Freya better than you. Except that's just stupid, the pickaxe. My fucking God. Alright. Now we know I hit that first. I thought it would be the far left first, and I was right. So you hit that first. Yep. And then you hit this one. Come on, get over here. Yeah. And hit that one. And then he hit this one. Shit. Yeah, there we go. What? Oh, hi. Do I know you? I feel like I know you. Oh, master. Cool, he's a master. What are you the master of? Oh, Dwarven Spheres. He's the master of Dwarven Spheres. Well, he's dead now. Fuck that. Oh, sweet Jesus. I just realized what's in there. Please tell me you guys can see what that is. That's bullshit. Yeah. Oh my God. Camera, stay. Good boy. Yeah, fucker. Don't mess with me. Ooh. Nothing else. Okay. Yeah. Jeez, so much for Iron Hand. More like invisible pickaxe. Fucker. Alright, now I gotta do the... Or do I have to do the... Oh, yes I do. Gotta do the puzzle again. But I gotta do it right. Or else... I will get spanked. But not really. Like, I can kill most everything. I wonder if I still have that Whiterun bounty of like 1 million. I went on like a werewolf rampage. What do you mean not again? That was right. How was that not right? Ow. What was that? Oh wait, what was the journal? She said something about a journal earlier. I think. Couldn't find any clues, so... Five to hit them in... Let's see... What? I said there were like ones in here. You said there were 5? The fuck do you mean there's 5? Yeah. Pew. Yeah. What do you mean not again? I don't understand. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh no. This is very bad. I don't understand. I'm not using that one. I do not understand that scrap of paper. What? What? 32, that does not help me. I thought the other one would help me a little bit better, but it didn't. Sorry guys. Camera fell over. Don't even know how. I mean, it's on a stand, like right there. How did it fall? Alright, I have no idea. So... just hit those two. 1, 2. What do you mean, not again? I am very mad right now. This is not cool. Like, no, I'm not okay with this. Alright, I'll see you guys when this puzzle is over. You're probably had enough of my bullshit.